Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back seat, where you have seating for 3 spaciously and comfortably that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then down here in the middle, you have 2 flip-out cup holders with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your speedometer, trip 1 and 2 information, driver assistance settings and features, your fuel economy, eco coach, and then your comm screen. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch views so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer. And then above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller with your trailer brake controller and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector, where you have normal, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and then on the opposite end you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode. But then moving on to the right, where you have a 12 volt USB and USB-C, as well as this compartment for more storage. And then down below you have another 12 volt USB and USB-C with a shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something. Moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders with your center compartment / armrest, which is spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then underneath that, you also have another lockable compartment for even more storage. Then before I forget, you do also have your column shifter with select shift so you can manually shift through your gears, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.